Okay. What's up, guys? We're gonna be unboxing Nintendo Switch Zelda OLED I just got in the mail. I've seen like pictures of the box and like a few videos, but I haven't watched them for a few weeks, so this would kind of be a surprise for me. And seeing it in person will obviously be different than seeing it in a video or picture. But anyways, let us go. Oh wow, it like fits perfectly in that box. You see that? That's so cool. Okay. Big bubble wrap. That's what I call that stuff anyways, I have no idea. Okay, so I never actually owned I have a regular Switch. I think the regular Switch came in a slightly bigger box than the OLEDs do. Could be wrong about that. Could just be misremembering, but I have the Switch I have is an OG like 2017 Switch. And I don't even think I have the box anymore, so I have not like had one of these in my hands for years at least a box like this. But yeah, let's see what the box has before we open the whole thing up. It has a nice picture of the Switch, little kind of backdrop for Tears of the Kingdom, the Joy-Cons. I hope these work better than the ones I have. Don't have as much Joy-Con drift. It says OLED below to like kind of show you it's OLED. And then the whole thing, it might be hard to see on the video, but the whole thing kind of had this like this swirly like kind of BOTW Tears of the Kingdom style design. Even on the stuff that's like normal, like Nintendo, the sides that are normal with the Nintendo Switch logo, and just the components of the package. Nintendo up here, the boring information over here, and then yeah, well, I guess I'll just look at the back then. This kind of has some examples, like it has the Switch in the dock, in the Zelda dock, a picture of the dock with the back side, and then the back side of the Joy-Cons, the front of the Joy-Cons with the kind of special like wristband things I have, and then the stand, the back portrait of the Switch. It actually doesn't have a picture of the front portrait of it, but I guess there's not really a good reason to. It does kind of have like partially one over here because it's like coming slightly out of the Switch, but yeah, or the dock, but yeah. Anyways, well, let's get this open then. I don't want to ruin this box either though, so okay. I'm gonna be careful with this because I rather not ruin the nice box that I got. I have a feeling it still might rip though. Let's see. Well, these are a bit of a pain. Ah, you see, I ripped it. Oops. Why is it so tight in there? Okay, yeah. I feel bad it ripped, but at least like the nice parts, the more interesting parts of the box are good. But before we get to the main part of it, I think this was not on my Switch, I know that for sure, because I got original model, but it has like a little kind of quick start guide there. And we have the Joy-Cons, itself. Of course, the dock. Cables. A lot of cables. And I would do the setup, but I'll do that in a separate video because I want to get this all nice. Yeah, before I eat this one, so I put this in like a little case just to keep it nice and protected. I also put a screen protector on it, off screen, but you see the little swirly design, and it's Etsy textured too. Little golden marking on both of those. Okay. I will do this part of it. Connect it to the TV later. What's the best way to go about this? Okay, I'm gonna do the data import. Just gonna update. Looks like I need to have the screen protector. Okay.